This is Nate of the Nathan's Road in Washington blog. I'm going to do an honest video review of this OSN Digital DK2000 LCD Universal Screen Protector Kit. And as you can see, I purchased this on clearance. I only paid a couple dollars for it. It was on clearance at Fred Meyer, so they probably do not carry it anymore. And since this is an OSN digital product, I do not know where else you can buy these. I looked at OSN Digital's website, but they do not sell to people. They only sell to wholesale, to other retailers. And here's what the package looks like. Here's the back side. And then you just, looks like you just peel this here to open it up. It's easy to open. Very easy to open. And included inside is a squeegee card here. This is the, the make sure there's no bubbles on the screen protector things to keep it down. This is like a clean cloth here. It's about, I think, 3 inches by 3 inches, I think. No, that's not right, is it? No, it's 6 inches by 6 inches, alright. 6 inches by 6 inches. This is the clean cloth. And here are the screen protectors. There's like 6 of them included. On the back side they have this stuff written on them. And it has, looks like, showing you how to measure different sizes or something. And at the bottom it says, cut off according to the screen size and secure it to the screen. Repetitive removals of the film may lose the adhesiveness. Now I'm going to show you how to use the back side of this screen protector thing that shows you, has the measurements on it. So for this example, of course, I have scissors and a ruler, and I'm going to try to put it on one of these little devices like this that has a little screen. So I'll do this one here. So in order to figure out which size to cut it in, you have to measure this diagonally. So measuring it diagonally, it would be, the screen part is about a little over 1.5 inches. So on here it says A is for 1.5 inch diagonally, so that'd be a little bit too small. Then B is for 1.7 inch diagonal, that'd be about the right size. Then C is for 1.8 inch diagonally, D is for 2.0 inches diagonally, and E is for 2.2 inches diagonally. So I want B, so you go out here to B where the dotted line is, where B is the dotted line. So then you take your scissors and cut out that part. But you gotta do it carefully. Okay, I cut out the part that should be the right size. And here's the clean cloth that came with it. So I'm going to clean off the screen, make sure there's no fingerprints or anything on there. So it's all cleaned off. Right now I'm going to try to peel the back end. I think it would probably work better going this way. Looks like it's longer this way. The part that, there's a little bit here that's not part of the screen. So it'll probably go better this way than this way. So I'm going to peel it now. Right there, it's coming off now. And then you just kind of put it on there carefully. Now you use a squeegee card here, the squeegee card that came with it. You just, I guess you're supposed to just press down like this. You just press down like this and go along here. Make sure you get all the bubbles out. Maybe you're supposed to go this way instead. I'm not sure. Guess whatever way it works for you. Looks like there's still a little bit of air bubbles in there, or air pockets, but it's slowly coming out, I think. Looks like they're slowly coming out. And that's pretty much how you put these things on. Now it's got the screen thing on there. Now I want to put these screen protector things on these Arcos 32 tablets and Samsung P3 thing I have here. But unfortunately the back side doesn't give the bigger sizes for these type of devices on them. So it looks like to me if I just cut down this line here, just stay along this line here, and this one here, if I just cut it here and here, it should be about the right size for the Samsung P3, and then it'll probably be the right size for the Arcos if I just cut it here and use everything over here, including this little strip here. It should fit the Arcos 32 okay. So now I'm going to try to put one on the Samsung P3 here. Okay, I cut it now. I left the right margin part on. I cut it along this line here. And it looks like it's about the right size for the Arcos 32 tablet here. But it doesn't cover the buttons at the bottom. But it does protect the screen part. Big enough to cover the screen. In order to make it fit on the Samsung P3 though, I'm going to probably have to trim off that little strip on the right hand side here. Cut this part off right here. Okay, I'm now going to apply this screen protector to the Samsung P3. I'm peeling it off here. Then you just put it, you gotta be careful here, trying to make sure you line it up right. That looks about right. And use the squeegee card here. It looks like I got kind of a wrinkle in it. Didn't get it on very good. I'm going to try to straighten it out here. Each time you try to pull it off, it loses some of the adhesiveness, so you got to make sure you get it right the first time if possible. And I just use a squeegee, straighten it out, get these air bubbles out here. Like most of them came out. Alright, so looks like it stuck pretty good to it. Now I got it so it'll protect the screen here. So overall this looks like a pretty good product. But I wanted to mention that if you're going to buy this thing, be careful where you buy it, because like on one place on eBay they're charging like several dollars for shipping and handling, and this is kind of a small product. It's very small, not very heavy. It shouldn't cost that much to ship it. So it's too bad that this thing has been put on clearance and it's hard to find. But it's a great thing to have if you don't like your devices getting scratched up. And this is Nate with the Nathan's Road in Washington blog. See you on the next review.